Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I just have a quick tutorial for you guys. It's just going to be one of those ones where I just put some music to the video and just let you guys watch it. There won't be any talking or anything. So before we get into the tutorial, I wanted to talk about some of the products that I use today. And one of them is, it's the first time I've used this, and this is the Naked Urban Decay palette here. It's very, I wouldn't say it's, I mean, it has neutrals in it, but I think it's more of a cool tone because when I was using even just this light tan here, it came across more of a cool tone of tan. So, I don't know. I mean, it doesn't, I don't know, it just looks more cool toned than my usual neutral colors. So, it's a very cool tone palette. But yeah, that is what I used to achieve the eye look, and I also used the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask as a primer today, and I really liked it. It has a lot, at least the one in here had a lot of product in it, which is great, but it did make a bit of a mess when I was putting it on, which it's not a big deal or anything. It's just, I did really like how it made, hold on, camera, what are you doing? There we go. I did really like how it made my skin feel. It made it feel very refreshed and dewy. So I was really impressed with that as well. So those are just a couple of products that I wanted to talk about because, like I said, I don't do any talking during the video. The thing I did notice about the Urban Decay palette is, although it is very pigmented, which is great, the eyeshadow seems a little more powdery or chalky. Like when you just dip your brush in, it does have a lot of kickback, which again, I don't really care that much about, but you know, other people might. And it was just kind of chalky, kind of more dry, but it is very pigmented, which I was surprised because sometimes with those chalky eyeshadows, they're not very pigmented and they don't blend very well. I think I maybe had a smidge difficulty blending the darker shade out, but the others work just fine. I don't know if you guys can hear my dog snoring, but we showing you my dog. Call me a little guy. He is a fat potato, but this is my little baby. Yes. Hi, baby. Yes. Want to say hi? His name is Shippo, and he's keeping me company today. Oh, don't lick me. He's keeping me company in here while I film today. And also, if you like this video and you like me, then please go ahead and click that subscribe button. It does mean a lot to me and I appreciate the support. But let's go ahead and get on into this tutorial.